Oh, can't fit there. I want to witness how my wife is treating me. I told her I want my lawnmower waxed 2 coats.
Washed and waxed.
And have those blades sharp too.
Well, me and Pete's on a job today, and what would a good YouTube video be without a freaking mower in the background?
You're a little bigger than I am.
we have.
Take a walk, take a look.
We normally have big scaffold that we bring with us, but I went ahead and bought some of that lightweight scaffold, so we didn't have to break our backs every time.
Ooh, they're active.
Second job on this house. Last year I did one over there around the corner, and they keep getting in, and as you can see, someone else previously did a hive removal right here and then expand and foam the crap out of it. It's been a long time though. I'm gonna put you up there close to it so you can get a good look at what's going on up there. Those are termite mud tubes that are all through that expanding foam. And then on this column, the bees have chewed the foam out of it and rehomed the space. It looks like they're on this side this time. We're in the beginning of swarm season, and it just caught them this year. I came by the other day and robbed a piece of trim right here to get some color match paint. Today I'm going to clean out all this expanding foam on all these columns and touch up the paint.
That is, if I ever seen one, a mud-dyed mansion.
Yeah.
I've never seen one that big.
Dirt Dauber Paradise.
That thing is huge.
It looks like one of those flutes. So years ago somebody went crazy with the expanding foam. It just makes a mess. It looks ugly and it doesn't do much of anything. It really kind of helps the termites over there to hold moisture.
If you cut it and come back and caulk it properly, which is what it's designed to do.
Yeah.
But they always do this. They expand it, let it come out and say, oh, that's good.
Say it again.
You're supposed to cut it and caulk it later, which is what it's designed to do, but they always just go crazy with it like this and call it good, and it's just ugly.
So this is a big, beautiful house on a golf course in a really nice community that is going on the market, and he wants me to clean it up back.
I just got the first stain. I literally bent over, put my tank in, got me in the back of the shoulder. They're gonna be fun.
When I came by and looked at this the other day, the bees were a little testy. It was Sunday, so it's been 2 days.
Just stung me. They're still testy.
And Pete just got stung. He's gonna suit up and do a hive removal, and I'm gonna be going around
Laughing at me.
wire brushing columns and painting.
It's already becoming profitable. The Delaware crossing. Oh, wait a minute. We're not done yet. I just seen something else shine over here at me.
There's a dime
Yep,
right
right
there.
there. The job's paid 35 cents so far.
Interesting note over here. I've already taken the hive out of this house.
Yep.
And the one on the other side of it. And Pete and Mr. Ed were with me on this one.
Yep, was here for this one. I wasn't here for the other one.
And the other one was years ago. Me and my dad did it. You don't see that much crap except for in a bat cave.
Man.
You gonna use my clean barbecue spatula on this? We gotta hang that piece of board back up, so he's going to clean it. Let's see what we got up in here. Look at them, they're so pretty. They just moved over one spot and built back.
You can still see where we did it at over here.
Yeah.
But we couldn't get in all of it. We topped all that.
Genius.
Especially when they put a nail through it. I didn't put the nail through a knot.
Just drop
Ah! Right there, you see her?
it. I see the stinger.
Come on to the bee crib, take a look. Welcome to Dark Rooster Cribs. I see dirt and crust, but I don't see nothing else. That's in a massive wad there. That just got here?
Yeah.
Dude, that's pretty big, but just got here.
Well, it's been here for about 2 or 3 weeks.
Well, I'd still be past that point.
Shine your light up in there. We could go up a little higher, which Pete's gonna need if he's gonna reach this, for sure. But I'm thinking we'll pull the scaffold out of the way and just do it off a ladder. Up to you. I don't really care. If it were me, I'd be on a ladder.
They're coming out of there like a waterfall right now.
Yeah.
You want to open the other side?
I wouldn't, but they're right dead center of that column, it looks like, and it doesn't look like it's going to give you any more reach to go through from the other side. And it looks like we're running a long ways with the eye joist, so we can't go across the back.
What about the other side, not that
That's what I'm
side?
talking about.
They're peppy little puppies.
Blocking right there is kind of in your way, so I don't know how.
Yeah, I kind of pulled one to see if we would get out the way. It looked like it was loose when I pulled the board off, but it's
I don't know
not
how
that loose.
secure it is,
But it really, I haven't seen one this peppy in a long time with it just all over the place right here, and we haven't even done anything other than open it. And they were like this before I opened it. Except the shop vac, the shop vac. The bee vac, you're gonna need that handle hanging on this scaffold, you know? I think it'd be loud here, a little bit lighter. You're only getting up here. We'll get the eviction process started. But
before we get going too far, get me a picture for the customer.
that would be from down here. Even I just felt air by my face. I think it's inside with me.
Yo, this is such a beautiful, beautiful neighborhood. Truly is. Me and Pete were talking about it on the way in, these HOA neighborhoods and stuff, how neither one of us would live in one. And I was, my thought on that was just reinforced watching the neighbor next door. All these houses have younger children. And when my kids were growing up, not everybody can do this, but when my kids were growing up, we had a big house on 6 acres and they could run and do anything they wanted to. One half of our front yard, you could go over there and cut donuts and nobody'd ever know you were there. And my kids did that. They rode 4-wheelers, and when they got old enough to drive, especially my son, would get over and just, him and his buddies get over and rip it up and get stuck and have a good time. It was good times, man. You didn't have to really accommodate for anything. It was already there. They get out and play, and I just saw, just a minute ago, I was in the driveway and I saw this dad come out to help his son play basketball. He had to move both cars so his son could shoot basketball on their little portable goal. And I was like, dude, that's just, kid can't even just go outside and play. Dad, I want to shoot basketball. Hold on, I gotta go move both cars and get you set up for it.
And send a note into the HOA that we will be playing basketball from 5:30 to 5:36.
Yeah. but really is. We're in Diamond Head, Mississippi, and just a beautiful community. Just recently incorporated as a city on its own. Golf courses, creeks, swamps, rivers. Really nice area for bees, and so that's why we get quite a few calls over here. The house to the east of us just said they had bees on their house once before, but they didn't move in. So
Next season, maybe.
She's got my number just in case.
We got her address.
And what's funny is there's a duck box over there on the golf course that I can see, and I'm curious if it might not be acting more as a swarm trap, but it's out in full sun, so I doubt it. So these bees have been fairly chill. It's 60, high 60s,
Probably.
high 60s, and it's been real windy and real rainy for the past couple of days.
I'm surprised you're not soaked. I started sweating a little bit.
Yeah, I know. Mr. Ed just called me, said he was doing one tomorrow, and so are we. We're doing another one in an apartment complex between floors, and then got a couple more lined up right after that. So it's that time of the year. Work's starting to pile up. We're ready to get it.
Swarm season, let's go. That's a good concept.
Look at that brand new scaffold with honey all over it. It'll hold both of us.
We want to bring this down a little bit?
Yeah. Yeah, we're not going to get up
A
on
little
it.
less room for the legs to come out. What do you think?
Yeah, good luck.
All I gotta do is, I don't even have to hold the handle. I could just tape it here.
Yeah. There's some Gorilla Tape in the truck. So,
Is it
Yeah.
gorilla tape?
it's
Or
real
grape
great.
tape?
Yeah, it's grape ape tape. So normally I don't shop Harbor Freight, but this time we went to Harbor Freight for this scaffold set. The day after I bought it, or a couple days maybe after I bought it, I had to go get paint to match this ceiling at Sherwin-Williams, and Sherwin-Williams has Metal Tech, almost identical set for over $100 cheaper. Missed it on that one, but I might go get the one from Sherwin-Williams just so we can have extra to stack. We don't use scaffold a whole lot, but when we do, scaffold I have is pretty heavy and it requires a trailer to haul it. And so this is going to be nice. We can use this inside. Some of those apartment jobs we do with the 9-foot ceilings where it's too high for the little gorilla ladder work platforms and really kind of too low for a ladder. We can raise that up and it'll save you feet a lot.
Okay.
What are you seeing?
Well, maybe you ought to just run your scope over into both sides of this thing.
Yeah.
There's just so many beads in here, Randy.
Think there's more?
It's just unbelievable.
Just start with it, and how does it do for wind just right out the box?
It's not bad. Not bad on its own.
Now, I can't remember if it was it or the 12. They said they actually got a setting put on there to.
Yeah, it has both of them. This and the GoPro both have a wind noise reduction. The GoPro is a little more expensive than the DJI, but when you're going from GoPro to DJI, you're going to spend more money off the bat anyway, because now you got to buy any extra mounts you want. They'll kind of interchange, but you got to get the quick connects. Well, that's another couple of things that are better on the DJI than the GoPro is. On GoPro, if you want to change out the battery or pull your SD card out or anything like that, you got to take it off of the mount. And with the DJI, you don't. The side doors will open on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it'll.
You got to take that sucker all apart on the old 4. You got to take it out of the case and everything.
Yeah.
I've always used the external mic.
Even on the 8, even on the GoPro 8, you had to take it apart to change out the battery or change out the SD card or anything.